SimpleSite Website Builder Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. SimpleSite is a beginner-friendly website builder designed for individuals and small businesses seeking a quick and straightforward way to establish an online presence without technical expertise. Its standout feature is simplicity, offering an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, no coding required, and pre-designed templates that allow users to create functional websites in minutes. It's especially ideal for personal projects, hobbyists, and small ventures needing an uncomplicated platform. The platform provides essential tools for creating blogs, online stores, or business pages, including basic e-commerce functionality, mobile-friendly designs, and options for multimedia integration like videos and images. With SimpleSite, users can create a free site with limited features or opt for a paid plan to unlock custom domain support, increased storage, and ad-free experience. However, advanced features like SEO optimization, analytics, and integrations are quite limited compared to competitors. SimpleSite's key strength lies in its accessibility. It's perfect for beginners or non-tech-savvy users who want a straightforward solution. Its mobile editing feature is another plus, allowing users to make updates on the go. Moreover, its e-commerce capabilities, while basic, are sufficient for selling a few products, making it appealing for side hustlers or small-scale businesses. However, SimpleSite does have notable weaknesses. The template designs are outdated, offering limited customization options that may not appeal to users with specific branding needs. Additionally, the lack of robust SEO tools and third-party app integrations makes it unsuitable for those aiming to scale their online presence. Competitors like Wix or Squarespace offer far more sophisticated design flexibility and functionality. In conclusion, SimpleSite is an excellent choice for beginners who value simplicity over advanced features and need a no-fuss platform for personal or small business websites. However, it's not ideal for users with ambitions of creating highly customized, feature-rich websites or scaling a larger business. If your needs align with its strengths, SimpleSite can be a reliable starting point. Otherwise, exploring other website builders might better suit your goals.